Alright, 40-gallon electric water heater. Customer called saying he smelled something upstairs. Wasn't sure where it's coming from. Already got the power off, disconnected. You can see, looks like it started leaking out of the element area and running down inside. And boom. It leaked on the lower thermostat. And right there's the wire coming down. Pretty nice, huh? So all we're gonna do is pretty much, he's already got two ball valves. Cut here, coupling. Pop that elbow off the relief. And tie in a new water heater and an electric. And an electrician's gonna have to come at a later date, mount the disconnect box, because by code, this basement doesn't have a breaker panel. It's pretty much like a apartment complex that has multiple houses connected, and his breaker panel's upstairs. So unfortunately, an electrician has to put a disconnector in there by code now. So I just sent my buddy, my helper Bob, to go get, I'm gonna truck another block. There's 3 little legs on here, plastic legs. I just want to get it squared all around, triangle wise. But you can see up here, just gonna pipe it here, coupling, pipe it here, coupling. Utilize these 2 ball valves still. We can temporarily hook this up so the customer has hot water until the electrician can get here. It could be a week, it doesn't matter, it's no rush. Apologize about the beeping, it's some kind of alarm going off. Man, that sucker was toast. Nice. Just wrapping up. You got the cold inlet here, hot going out, relief valve, drip leg, cement blocks, electrical going in. Like I said before, electrician still has to do what he's got to do. He'll hook up, connect to this to a disconnect, and from there, tie it in from there. Got to put a little jumping bonding wire here. Go upstairs, open up the hot faucets, get all the air out of the tank. With electric, it's very important to do that. You got to get all the air out of the tank before you turn electric on, because if there's not water up to that element, you'll burn it out. That's pretty much it. Just got to bag, tag, and write it up, and we're out. It's Friday, about almost 4:30. Time to go home. I'm on call this weekend, and it's supposed to be the coldest weekend of the winter so far of the year. We had a high of 18 today. Tomorrow is going to be low 30s, 0 at night with negative wind chill, and then Sunday is going to be like negative 15 wind chill. So we'll see what happens.